Hello guys, so in today's video I want to be showing you how you can zoom in on CapCut. Okay, so open your CapCut application. Alright, so let me load it again. So this is my CapCut application. As you can see, it's loading. So when it's done loading, come and tap on new project where you're seeing the plus sign in the sky blue background. Okay, so when you tap on new project, come and select a photo. So I'll select this, then I say add. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, so when it's done loading, come and tap on overlay here. Okay, so you tap on overlay. So after tapping on overlay, come and select add overlay. Okay, so after that, come and import the same photo you imported. This is the one, so again I add. Okay, so after adding it this time, if I want to zoom, I just hold with my two fingers like this. Okay, as you can see, you hold in the space with your two fingers. Okay, and you pull sideways like that. Okay, so you can pull it down a bit if you want. You can pull it down like that to show his face. So again, if you're zooming, you hold your fingers, your two fingers like this in the blank space. Okay, then you pull sideways. You pull sideways like that. Okay, so that's how basically you can zoom anything or zoom any photo or any image, or that's how basically you can zoom any video using CapCut. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit a like, and we shall meet in the next video. Okay, so when you're done with this, you can save it from here, then you find your video or your photo in your gallery. Okay, have a nice time.